Diversifying your investment portfolio is always a good idea, but have you ever thought about how to diversify your crypto portfolio to a point where you can maximize your returns and minimize your risks? If that is the case, then congratulations, you found the right video and this video is just made for you. Also, I would like to give a shout out to William Lau for giving me this video idea. And if you guys have any other video ideas or you guys need me to explain certain things in the investment space, do leave it in the comment section below, as I will always try my best to cater for you guys and I will try to help you guys further understand in this investment space, if possible. Take my advices in this video as a grain of salt, as I'm only speaking on behalf of my own opinions and my own experiences. I might be wrong. So there are a few types of coin in the crypto space. I personally put it out into 5, and number 1 is the coin that you can store value, which is something like Bitcoin, and number 2 is the coins that helps in payments. Number 3, it's like stable coins. Number 4, coins like Ethereum, where other projects can build their projects on top of. And number 5, it's the liquidity provider type of coins. So I've divided into 3 categories on how you can diversify your crypto portfolio: least risk, moderate risk, and high risk. So the least risk, or the safest way to do it, is to have your whole crypto portfolio into Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin is the most recognized, safest, and most well-known in the financial world, but the returns will still be just fine as crypto still fills with high volatility. Not to mention that Bitcoin is the main influence of the whole crypto market, and if the Bitcoin's price increases, all the other altcoins increases as well. Well, most of the time. Moving on to moderate risk. If you guys are looking for more risk but a more mature type of project, you guys can go ahead and take a look at the big 5 coins in the crypto space, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and even Ripple. For a deeper understanding in details of all 5 of these coins, you guys can go ahead and click the video top right, as I've made a video explaining smaller details into all of these coins. So if you guys want to pay attention into details of all 5 of these coins, you guys can go ahead and check that video out. If you're feeling adventurous and want to get a higher return, it's very simple, just go into smaller cap altcoins. But always remember that great reward comes with great responsibility or risks. Now I want to elaborate a little bit more on this point, as it is quite important for me and also for you guys. So there are a few types of coins that I mentioned earlier part in this video. I hope you guys haven't forget about that one yet. So let's just say you guys are into liquidity provider type of altcoin projects, just like the one I own, which is Cakecoin staked on Pancakeswap. Then you guys can go ahead and look into other liquidity provider altcoin projects just to invest into it to balance out your risk. So touch wood, right? For example, if the Cakecoin project doesn't do as well, you guys at least have another project right here to hedge it. I hope that explains how it balances out your risk when it comes to altcoin investing. If you haven't understand, don't worry, I'll give you another example. There are a few stable coins like USDC, BUSD, and even USDT. But just recently, USDT has been exposed by this guy on YouTube named Coffeezilla that the USDT is not backed dollar for dollar. And if you guys want to go ahead and know more about this, you guys can go ahead into the link in the description box below to watch that video. I promise you guys can learn quite a lot from it. So your portfolio only consists of USDT, and all of a sudden USDT has been banned by the government for whatever reasons. Then what now? All of your money just gone out of thin air. So that is what I meant by balancing out your risk when it comes to altcoin investing. To join up all the points in this video, if you guys want to go for the lowest risk type of crypto investments, then I would recommend 100% portfolio into just Bitcoin. For a moderate amount of risk, you guys can go ahead and try 60% into Bitcoin and 40% into the rest of the altcoins. And for the highest risk, you guys can try 50% Bitcoin and 50% altcoin. And in my honest opinion, I do not recommend any crypto portfolio below 40% Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is the face of whole crypto market and the outcome really based on Bitcoin alone. So here is how I diversify my own crypto portfolio. I personally like to divide it into 2 categories. The first category, wealth preserve, and the second category, fighter coin. So for the first category, for wealth preserve, it's pretty much self-explanatory. I'm holding coins that can preserve my wealth, although I don't have a lot of wealth, and a coin that could potentially hold up the value whenever there's inflation or when the stock market plummets and so on. Obviously, it is Bitcoin. The second coin in my wealth preserve portfolio is USDT on Binance and Huobi. Now, the reason why I'm still holding USDT on both of these exchanges is because I'm still planning to convert it into other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and so on. The reason why I have not bought any Ethereum just yet is because I do not have the time to look into it or I'm just too lazy, I guess. But sometime in the future, I'm definitely looking to buy more Ethereum into my portfolio. So let's move on to the fighter coin. It is also pretty much self-explanatory if you focus on the objective of this category. You already know it. This is the portfolio that I put small amount of money into that I'm comfortable with losing all of them. And if you guys are a long-time viewer of this channel, you guys will know that I am a big fan of Cakecoin and Pancakeswap. It is a coin that actively earns me passive income through staking services on the Pancakeswap platform. And if you guys are interested to go and do that, you guys can watch the video in the top right. There's no one way or the right way to go about diversifying your own crypto portfolio. It really depends on what you are comfortable with, as it is your money, not mine. So as long as you invest into cryptocurrency with proper risk management and know what the project is all about before investing into it, then you'll be just fine. So I hope you guys found value in this video, and I hope I did not take too much time of your day. Smash the like button, as it only takes you 2 seconds and it means the world to me. Also, we are very close to reaching 1,000 subscribers, so if you guys can be kind enough to smash that subscribe button for me as well, then that would be much appreciated. As always, my audience is always my priority. If you guys have any more video recommendations, leave them in the comment section below on what you guys want to see next. With that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video.